Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can unlink Epic Games from Social Club. In order to unlink your Epic Games from Social Club, first thing first, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection and then open up a browser on the web address bar, type in support.rockstargames.com. This is going to take you to the Hub Center page. So while you're on the Support Center page here, you'll need to go ahead and tap on GTA 5. After you've done that, it's going to take you to the Support Center page here. You'll need to click on connectivity from the bottom right hand corner. This is going to take you to the Support Center page. So all you have to do is select the device that you're currently using on, and after you've done that, you'll be able to see statements something like this. And once again, scroll down a bit and go to GTA Auto Online PC Connection Trouble. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you can see a list of articles. Go ahead and tap on No, and then you can just go ahead and submit a request or a petition. So after that, all you have to do is just submit a request. So for that, you need to type in all of the information that will be asked on the following screen, and accordingly you also need to take a screenshot of your Epic Games. So once you again log in into your Epic Games account, and once you're logged into your Epic Games account, click the profile again from the top and then go to accounts. Once you go to account, it's going to take you to the account center page. Here you'll be able to find all sort of details, so make sure to take a screenshot and then upload it as an evidence. So once you do that, click the submit button and then the request will be submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can unlink your social club. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.